Attribute data. This video shows attribute data is used to determine the symbols and colours in a map. This is the map we had before. We're looking here at the land cover database. This is the attribute table of it. You can see the features, you can scroll along and look at the columns. This is the name in 2008, and we'd like to use that to classify it and choose names for each area. We're going to look for grass in the database. Search. Now we're going to show only the selected records. Search. Those are all the records which have got grass somewhere in the name in 2008. You can see there are three different sets of grass. Tall tussock grass, which is that highlighted in yellow there, or high production grass, or alpine grass, which we're not going to select. You can zoom into the map with the selected features or do various other functions, which is not really what we're up to now. Let's classify it though. We want to see how many different classes of vegetation cover there are on this map. We're going to go and look at the name in 2008, choose a colour ramp, blue-green, and we're going to classify it. Go down to classify. You can see there's just a range of green colours, which is going to be very difficult to see the difference. So there's name 2008. Those are all the different values. Let's change this first one, alpine. We'll make it white to start with. There's several others that can easily be changed. Obviously urban, perhaps grey. Forests can be green. Lakes and ponds and rivers should be some sort of blue. Transport, probably red. That's looking a lot better. It has a strange white patch around the top of the mountain though. Let's find out what that is using the information tool. Identify it. On the left of the table of contents you can see the key. It's broad-leafed indigenous. Let's change that to a better colour. We'll choose a green colour, slightly brighter colour. That looks a bit better. You can see how much we can change the symbology by knowing what the different categories are, the values. We're now going to go and look at some aquatic vegetation. We'd like to change its symbol and its colour. We can choose a symbol which stands out a bit better by making it a cross hatch with two different colours, a colour border. You can see a preview and then you can apply it. You do have to add it as a symbol to your set, so give it a meaningful name. You can see how it appears in the key. We're going to apply it, then it'll appear on the map. In the next tutorial, we'll look at using these attributes to create labels.